Getting started with Zapier and language learning apps.
Zapier helps you connect your favorite language learning app, like Duolingo or Memrise, with the productivity tools you already use. Start by creating a free Zapier account, then connect your language app by following the step-by-step instructions. This opens up a world of automation possibilities to streamline your study routine, save time, and stay motivated.
Automate study reminders with Trello.
Keep track of your language goals by connecting your app to Trello. Zapier can automatically create a Trello card every time you finish a lesson, or once a new word list is added. This keeps your progress visible and organized in your task board, making it easier to set weekly or daily targets for your learning journey.
Sync your progress with Gmail.
Never miss a study session with email reminders. Use Zapier to send a Gmail notification whenever you reach a new milestone in your language app. You can also set up automated emails that review your daily or weekly learning stats, helping you reflect on achievements and remind yourself to keep up the habit.
Share achievements in Slack.
Celebrate your language learning wins with your friends or colleagues by linking your app achievements to a Slack channel. Zapier can instantly post messages when you complete a lesson or hit a new streak, allowing you to share progress, encourage friendly competition, and stay accountable within your community.
Advanced tips and next steps.
Experiment with multi-step automations like combining Trello, Gmail, and Slack notifications for a fully integrated workflow. Browse Zapier's library for more ideas, such as saving vocabulary lists to Google Sheets or backing up your progress. With a bit of creativity, Zapier can make your language learning journey more efficient and enjoyable.